Subscribe to TechMeSpot channel and press the bell icon and never miss another update. Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to check whether you have 32-bit or 64-bit Windows 10 version running on your computer. Okay, so you need to go to this search box, and if you don't have this search box, and you just need to right click on this Windows 10 Start this button and click on this search. Okay, and here you need to type this control panel and just click to open it. And guys, if you have this category selected, you just need to select this large icons and click on this system. And guys, here you can see that the system type, that is I'm running 64-bit operating system, that is x64 based processor. Your version might be different. Okay, so that's it guys. In this way you can easily find out whether you are running 64-bit or 32-bit Windows 10 operating system. So thanks for watching. If you like my videos, please support this channel by subscribing to it. Thanks. Bye bye.